Introduction to Sustainability Data Analysts.
Sustainability data analysts play a crucial role in helping organizations understand and reduce their environmental impact. These professionals gather and interpret data related to energy use, waste, emissions, and resource efficiency. By analyzing trends and patterns, they support companies and governments in meeting sustainability goals while making informed, responsible decisions for the future.
Core responsibilities of the role.
A sustainability data analyst's main tasks include collecting sustainability metrics, cleaning and preparing data, and conducting in-depth analyses. They often build dashboards and reports that track progress on climate initiatives and identify areas for improvement. Their insights inform strategies for reducing carbon footprints, improving resource management, and achieving regulatory compliance.
Essential technical skills.
Success in this role requires strong skills in data analysis tools such as Excel, SQL, and data visualization platforms like Tableau or Power BI. Familiarity with environmental reporting standards, carbon accounting, and life cycle assessment software is highly valuable. A solid grasp of statistics and the ability to interpret complex datasets are key for making effective recommendations.
Key analytical and communication skills.
Beyond technical ability, sustainability data analysts must be detail-oriented and have critical thinking skills to spot trends and anomalies. Clear communication is essential. They translate complex findings into actionable summaries for non-technical audiences, such as management or the public. Collaboration with stakeholders across different departments is also a fundamental part of the job.
Career pathways and growth.
This role offers opportunities to contribute to meaningful environmental change while building an in-demand career. Early roles may focus on data collection, while advanced positions involve shaping sustainability strategy or managing teams. Continuous learning about emerging sustainability frameworks and technologies enhances career prospects and impact.